Most people building a high-end rig these days are obsessed with flashy lights, but there is something refreshing about a case that just focuses on pure, unadulterated airflow. The HYXN H2 is exactly that. It is a massive dual-chamber mid-tower that feels like it was designed by someone who actually spends time building PCs. The first thing that hits you is the sheer scale of the thing. It is wide, it is deep, and it feels incredibly sturdy once you get it on the desk. The tempered glass is crystal clear, and because there are no pre-installed ARGB fans to distract you, the focus stays entirely on the hardware inside. Speaking of those fans, you get 8 of them right out of the box. 6 140 reverse fans and 2 120 ones. It is a smart move because it creates a massive wall of air without needing to buy extra cooling. Honestly, the thermal performance is impressive. You could easily fit a 420 radiator in here, which is overkill for most. But it is nice to know the headroom is there if you are running a top-tier GPU and a power-hungry processor. The dual-chamber layout is the real star here, though. By tucking the power supply and drives behind the motherboard tray, the main chamber stays completely clean. It makes cable management feel almost like cheating because you have so much room in the back to just shove everything out of sight. The Velcro straps are a nice touch, too, keeping the mess organized without needing a mountain of zip ties. Now it is not perfect. Because this thing is so wide, it is going to take up a significant chunk of your desk space, so make sure you measure twice before committing. Also, while the build quality is solid, the sheer amount of glass means you will be reaching for the microfiber cloth pretty often to keep those fingerprints at bay. It supports massive GPUs up to 455, which is great for those oversized cards that barely fit in standard cases. The front I/O is well placed, and having that Type-C 3.2 port is a must-have in this day and age. If you are the type of builder who prefers a clean, professional aesthetic over a light show, this is a serious contender. It is spacious, it is cool, and it makes the whole building process feel a lot less like a chore. It is a big, bold box that does exactly what it promises, and sometimes that is all you really need.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.